Look up, look up, look up, look up at all of that blue sky now. There's a piece of it for everyone to do what they want with it, with it. Live up, live up, live up to who you know you're meant to be. I know you got the invite, cause we all got the invite.
Yep, totoo ang chismis. Open na nga ulit ang 4A Reyes Campsite sa Matiktik, Norzagaray, Bulacan. At sa muling pagbubukas nila ay mas pinaganda pa nila ito at nagkaroon nga tayo ng pagkakataon na ma-interview si Ma'am Hannah Jane Reyes.
Magandang buhay po. Ito po si Hannah Jane Reyes, manugang po na ni Boss Jerry at asawa po ng isa doon sa 4A. Ayan, bali yung property o yung resort po ay tinatawag na 4A Reyes Resort. Po siya dahil doon sa 4 na magkakapatid na lahat ng pangalan po nila ay nag-umpisa sa letter A. Starting po sa panganay, Abigail, Angelica, Adrian, at saka po Eliza. Kaya nabuo yung 4A. Nag-start po kami last year, January 2024. Tapos natigil po kami ng May sa ilang kadahilanan. At ngayong taon po ay nakapagpasimula po ulit. Ayan. Bagong luma po yung aming ATV rental. Available pa rin po siya. At meron po kami ngayong mga bagong fun activities. Meron kaming beach ball at saka yung volleyball na free naman po na magamit ng mga guests. Ang fees po natin, kagaya po dati at katulad sa ibang mga resort or sa ibang mga ilog, syempre kauna-unahan po yung cottages, 500 pesos po per table. Meron din po kaming available na TP rooms for 2 to 3 packs. Sa day tour po ay 600 pesos, 800 pesos naman siya for overnight. May kubo house din po na may double deck sa loob at may terrace po naman sa labas for 1,300 siya sa day tour at sa overnight ay 1,500. Meron din kami pong mga ino-offer na nipa huts. Meron kaming isang malaki for 1,200 sa day tour at 1,300 sa overnight. At yung maliit naman po na nipa hut, 600 for day tour at 800 po for overnight. Bali po yung oras ng pagstay po sa resort, pag day tour, 6 AM to 6 PM. At yung overnight naman po ay 6 PM to 6 AM. Entrance po, kasama na po sa live vest dahil dito po sa 4A, ang pinaka gusto po namin ay safe po ang lahat. Kaya yung live vest po ay required para sa lahat. 50 pesos po para sa day tour. At yung mga bata po na 2 years old below, free po sila. Pero meron din silang live vest na ipoprovide po para sa kanila. Ang kauna-unahang rule, dito po sa 4A, kagaya ng sinasabi namin dati, bawal po ang maoy. Kung narinig niyo po na pinapalakad namin last year. At saka syempre, bawal pong maligo ng walang suot na live vest. Kasi po, kagaya po ng ilang ilog dito po o ng lahat ng ilog dito sa Norzagaray, bigla-bigla pong tumataas yung tubig. Pero nanonotify naman po yung mga guests at nag-a-alarm naman kami kapag po tumataas na siya. Kaya mas mainam po na laging may suot na life vest ang bawat. Sa parking, free po ang ating parking. Meron naman din pong mga staff or mga tauhan na tumitingin-tingin sa mga sasakyan. Siyempre, dahil pag mamayari po natin personal property natin yung mga sasakyan, tayo pa rin naman yung number 1 responsible doon sa ating mga sasakyan. Mga katropa, mga kapamilya, mga kaibigan, kayo po ay patuloy po namin inaanyayahan at iniimbitahan na bumalik dito sa malinaw at malinis na tubig ng 4A Reyes Resort. Sama-sama po nating i-enjoy ang summer 2025.
So ayun nga mga boss, nagkaroon tayo ng pribileyo para i-testing itong ATV rides ng 4A Reyes. So papakita namin kung hanggang saan yung tour nitong ATV pagka nag-arkila kayo, kung hanggang saan ba pwede pumunta. All around the world. Yeah. Come on. Attention, this is my boarding code. Bags up there against the wall. Step on a flight, be there by the night. Get ready, cause man, we taking off. No doubt this world is mine. Call myself when I lose track of time. No, I'm not new, but that's got my crew in the back. I feel alright. Habang nagdadrive kayo ng ATV, meron kayong isang tour guide. So susundan nyo lang sila. Step up in
London town. Look at me now, I shut it down. Gotta make this world my own. Won't stop next up. It's funny though, yo. 1,000 miles away. We don't care what the people say.
We don't care.
'Cause love will lead the way.
Let it out.
Tonight we'll celebrate.
Come on, let's go.
Grabe mga puno ng buko dito, boy na boy, oh. Tapos dito sa gilid, may bundok.
I am straight to the Philip. Every city is an airport. Traveling the world like the Yodel. That's right, I do it for B-More. My hometown, it's all yours.
Ito yung pinakamaganda sa ATV eh. Downhill. So mamaya aahon din tayo mamaya dito.
We don't care.
'Cause love will lead the way.
That's right.
Baba tayo ng... Wow! Lakas na agos sa ilog dito. Parang batis lang kasi napakababago lang niya.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
Oh shit!
Put your hands up. Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll
Let's go. Hope my passport doesn't expire. International down to the wire. All this love got me on fire. Living my dreams, past my desire. Let's go.
Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate. Don't matter what color, don't matter where you're from, we're gonna have a good time. Let's give the world love. Don't matter what color, don't matter where you're from, we're gonna have a good time. Let's give the world love. Tonight we'll celebrate. Tonight we'll celebrate.
If we're gonna go crazy, let's go together. I know, we only got one life to live. Every second on the clock is it. Everybody gotta stop the talk ticking. Turn up, we still got the music loud. The only way we're gonna get through it. So don't nobody go stop the rock hitting. Feel the fever outside your cabin. Seize the moment, reach out and grab it. If we're gonna get higher, set it on fire. It's now or never. If we're gonna go crazy, let's go together. Even if we lose our eyes, it's alright 'cause we got friends. If we're gonna go crazy, let's go together. Look up at all of that blue sky now. There's a piece of it for everyone to do what they want with it. Live up to who you know you're meant to be. I know you got the invite, 'cause we all got the invite. The fever outside your cabin.
May kakain!
Johnny, grab it! If we're gonna get higher, set it on fire. It's now or never. If we're gonna go crazy, let's go together. Even if we lose our eyes, it's alright 'cause we got friends. If we're gonna go crazy, let's go together. Let's go together. You and I, we got all the time.